So here's how to disable two-factor authentication on Roblox. So for that reason, first of all, open up the Roblox. And then from here, you need to tap on the more option onto the bottom right side corner. Simply tap on the more and then simply scroll it down to the bottom and you will find out the settings. Right after that, you need to go with the security. Then from here, as you can see, the authenticator app is turned on. So to turn this off, simply tap on this and simply tap on confirm. It will take some time, and now it is asking me to get my 6-digit code. So I will go back to the authenticator app, and now here is the thing. So I will need to type in 693-777 693-777 and tap on the verify button. And there you have it. So that's how you can disable two-factor authentication on Roblox. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.